we will discuss the simultaneous DTA and TG curves in different environment. First air atmosphere and second is the CO2 atmosphere. Suppose we will take the calcium monoxalate at in TG curves. The first at 200 degrees Celsius, that is the take place at the dehydration, removal of the H2O molecules in TG curves, and in the 500 at 500 degrees Celsius, that the elimination of the CO. So the calcium monoxalate removal of the H2O, and at is the 500 degrees Celsius, calcium monoxalate is converted into calcium carbonate, and in 800 degrees Celsius at calcium carbonate there is a elimination of the CO2 or the burning of the CO2 and form the calcium oxide CaO. So this is the air atmosphere TG curve. So second DTA curves. In DTA there are two reactions. First is the exothermic reaction and second is the endothermic reaction. In exothermic reaction there is the heat temperature difference del T, it is the positive side. In endothermic reaction temperature difference del T at the negative side. This peak is the exothermic peak and this is the endothermic peak. So DTA we will study in air atmosphere. In air atmosphere at 200 degrees Celsius removal of the water molecules. At due to burning of the CO, the temperature is increasing. So this is the exothermic reaction in DTA. So the formation of the calcium carbonate. And next at 800 degrees Celsius there is the elimination of the CO there, and thus the temperature here it is the endothermic reaction at 800 degrees Celsius. So this is all in air atmosphere. So we will study in CO2 atmosphere. In CO2 atmosphere, firstly take TG curves. The TG curve, first elimination of the water molecules at 200 degrees Celsius, second elimination of the CO2 at 500 degrees Celsius, and in third step this is same at uh, air atmosphere, two steps. First water molecule removal and in CO remove. TG, first water molecule remove at 200 degrees Celsius in air and CO elimination is 500 degrees Celsius in air. Same in CO2 atmosphere 200 and 500 degrees Celsius. But the removal of the CO2 in CO2 atmosphere, uh, due to the CO2 is react with our sample, so there is a higher temperature removal of the CO2 molecules. There is the elimination of the CO2 at above 800 degrees Celsius. Here in first in air atmosphere CO2 elimination burn at 800 degrees Celsius, but here CO2 react and there is an increasing temperature. So here is the above 800 degrees Celsius in TG curves. Also some difference in DTA curves. In DTA curves, first elimination of the water molecules at 200 degrees Celsius, same in air at 200 degrees Celsius. But in elimination of the CO in DTA, there is a endothermic process, and in air atmosphere there is a exothermic process. This is the main difference in air atmosphere and in CO2 atmosphere. And third, it is the same but in higher temperature, that is the elimination of the CO2. This is all about the difference or simultaneously study the DTA and TG curves. This is the very important questions, 5 mark questions in university exam.